I do it every morning. Routine is very important to me. 30 seconds out of my morning gives me peace of mind for the rest of the day. If more people did it too, we could prevent many people suffering a stroke each year. Every morning, I check my pulse. 10,000 people are admitted to hospital with a stroke every year. More than 2,000 people in Ireland die from stroke each year, and as many as 1 in 5 strokes are caused by irregular pulse that may be atrial fibrillation. Do you know what your pulse should be? Your pulse should be, on average, between 60 and 100 beats per minute and regular. Do you know how to take your pulse? It could save your life. You will need a watch, clock or timer to count 30 or 60 seconds. Make sure you haven't taken any caffeine, nicotine or any other stimulant beforehand. Sit down and rest for a couple of minutes. Then remove your wristwatch. Hold out your right or left hand with the palm up and your elbow slightly bent. With the other hand, take your index and middle finger and place them on your wrist like this. You may need to move your fingers round a little to find your pulse. When you find your pulse, count the beats for 30 seconds, then multiply the number of beats by 2. This is your pulse per minute. If your pulse is irregular, count the beats for 60 seconds, but don't multiply. If your pulse is irregular, or if the rate is 120 beats or above, or 40 beats or below, talk to your doctor. It's so easy, and it could save your life. Take 30 seconds out of your day to know your pulse. And take care.
The Mater Private have specialist expertise in managing and treating abnormal heart rhythms. If you are concerned, talk to your GP about a referral to our routine arrhythmia clinic. If you are currently experiencing palpitations and worried, our urgent cardiac care clinic is open 24 hours a day. Call us or walk in.